Hello beautiful people, welcome to the page, welcome to the channel. This is Erica guys, and I pray that you all are doing well. As for myself, I'm doing so good. So guys, thank you so much for following the page over Facebook. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel right here on YouTube. So guys, this is a blueberry tree that I plant in the front of my yard, and guys, this blueberry tree is so faithful. Every year this blueberry tree give me so much blueberry. I don't even have to water it. Once you get some rain from the Lord, it is blooming with fruits. Guys, this is a beautiful blueberry tree. Even though they're not fully sweet, but they're still healthy because I get my vitamins from it, and my grandson love to eat them. And so guys, this morning come along with me, man, as I harvest some blueberries, some callaloo, some cucumber, and some zucchini. Guys, the garden is doing good. The fruit is not as big as they used to, but I am grateful for what I got from it. I can say I eat about 3-4 times already from my backyard garden with my raised bed and my floor bed. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please continue to watch the videos to the end. Subscribe, comment, share, and put your notification bell on, so when I upload a video you will receive it. So guys, later I'm gonna cook all the vegetables that I got from the garden, so that will be another video guys, because I don't want this video to be too long. This is already almost 15 minutes video, and I don't want it to be so long. So watch the process guys. I am gonna go in silent and let you enjoy the music while watching me enjoying picking my fruit from the garden. Guys, it's such a wonderful feeling in the morning when I get up and I go outside and I check out my garden and I see my blueberry, I see some callaloo, I see some different stuff that I plant that I can harvest guys. So guys, watch the video as I say in silent as I go quiet, so you can watch the video guys. I really appreciate you for watching the videos, for subscribing, and for following the page over Facebook. Guys, enjoy yourself guys. And so as I did say, me gonna be quiet, but Lord, I have to give you a little more information. So guys, if you have a little property, it no matter how small the spot is, catch yourself some buckets, make yourself some raised bed, make yourself some boxes, and fill them up with soil guys, and plant your little tomato, your little blueberry, whatever you can find to plant it guys, because those are the more healthier stuff. No pesticide and all those unhealthy stuff. So guys, continue to watch guys. When I just start my garden, yes man, when I just start my garden, I put fertilizer one time and that was it. I thank God for blessing with the rain, and so I keep getting rain for 2 days or 3 days in a row. We just get rain. And so when I went in the garden this morning, everything was so nice and green. I enjoy being out there guys. It's a wonderful feeling when you have your garden and you're planting your seeds, and then you see they start to grow, and then they start to blossom, and then they start to bear. It's a wonderful feeling. So guys, if you want to feel how I feel, run to your backyard, your side yard, your back porch, your front porch, whichever little space you have. Guys, you don't need a lot of land space to plant your own stuff. Just if you don't have enough space to plant in the ground, or if the soil is not healthy enough to plant in the ground, just run and get yourself some bucket, get yourself some tires, whatever you get guys, you can fill them up a soil and plant your own garden. So go try it out. I hope you come back and drop in the comment section how you enjoy planting your own backyard garden, front yard garden, side yard garden. And that's me guys, walking to the backyard to plant my garden, to check out my garden. So guys, I fence up the garden because animal going in there. So right there guys, you see me have tomato. The tomato them just start to blossom and start to bear late. But right here guys, my first cucumber. Yes guys, me know me say me never cut that video. But guys, I have to talk you through what I'm enjoying. There is my blueberry, one bowl of blueberry, and there is my first cucumber guys. I was so excited when I see the first cucumber on the tree. Yes, man, I see my first cucumber, man, and so I'm enjoying it. Guys, right here, you see I have some little callaloo and thing. My callaloo, I'm just picking them off young, guys, because the callaloo them just strive like the last time, and so I'm not gonna let them stay on the tree and get hard. So wherever I see them come up, I just pick them a little bit, pick off my little lettuce. Everything come off small this year, but that's all right because I get enough to be satisfied. That's my my cucumber, you know, guys. That's my first cucumber, man. The cucumber tree run down in the tree. My second cucumber, guys. Guys, I am so excited. I get cucumber, 3 cucumber I get with a zucchini. Yes, man, I see another bucket. I have 2 buckets in the backyard garden. I have some string bean and some regular beans. But the regular beans, guys, because they are not a lot, I don't allow them to dry out. I pick them when they are young and cut them up and steam them with whatever I cook. You know, next time I'm gonna make sure I plant more string bean and other beans because I see they flourish good. And right here, guys, you see I have some blueberry and these 2 trees in my bucket. So guys, these 2 blueberry trees plant in buckets, and so I'm picking my blueberry. I tell myself, say next year in the fall I'm gonna dig up my blueberry tree that is in the front of my yard and I'm gonna plant it in a bucket. Hope I don't kill it, but I'm gonna try because one of these was already in the soil and in the ground, and I dig it up and plant it in a bucket and it doing good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plant the one that I have in my front yard in my bucket. So guys, right here I have some callaloo. Actually, you know, I'm just picking off my callaloo. I have some kale. I'm picking off the leaves because the trees are not, they're very big. So I'm just picking off the leaves and do my thing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So continue to watch the video and take care of yourself until next time. And remember, man, Jesus loves you and I do too. So take care of yourself.